Just a quick video here to like cover like some apps that aren't in the Play Store, or they don't basically want you to install on like an Android like head unit. Now these won't 100% like work. I'm just explaining it so you'll know what to do, so you can like test them. At times we do test them, they do work, but then they stop working, so that's why we just say, hey, we don't know, you're gonna have to try. So you want to give the unit internet, so just a hotspot to your phone or whatnot. If you do have CarPlay or like Android Auto hooked up, before you turn the car on, turn the like Bluetooth on your phone off, and then hotspot to it, because if you leave like sort of Bluetooth on, CarPlay or like Android Auto will try and pop up and like take over the hotspot. So we want to go into our apps and we want to open up Chrome. I think this is all good now. Yeah, cool. So I'm going to type in here Foxtel Go APK. That's what I'm searching for. APK like Lamira is a good site. Obviously, a Google Play Store won't work. APK Pure is a good one as well. So let's just go APK Pure here. Like an APK file is basically the direct app install a file instead of putting it through the Play Store. So download APK. Oh no, cancel, we don't do that. These are these sort of like websites that give you heaps like random stuff going on. I think I went the wrong spot there. They give you all these ads because they're providing free stuff. Okay, Foxtel APK, that's the right one. Go to downloads, download that, download anyway. So you can see 38 megabytes is currently downloading. So this is how you get some apps that are a bit different and whatnot. So we'll see how we go here. Again, not saying it's going to work, but just saying this is how you can install them and like download it. So this customer, I think, asked for about a Foxtel and like KO. I know KO has worked in the past. I think Foxtel hasn't ever worked. I am not sure. Again, we're just showing you how you can do it to test. Alright, cool. Let's have a look what this gives me. Here you go, settings. It just wants you to allow this. Push the back button, install. Now, if I open this now, you'll see. Okay, that's just a setting on our unit. Your one should have this turned off anyway, but it's just this disable a video when not motion. So it's got this far. Again, for this to work, you'd have to have the internet here anyway. Now it's saying sign in. If I push, so it got me to here. So if you did have one, you could try it and see if it works. That is for a Foxtel. Now the other one this customer asked about was KO. So again, back to Chrome. Just go. Oh, it's because that was the download page. Just use that same one, APK Pure. Can't find it. If I cannot find it, I would go to a different link. The other popular one is APK Lamira. There you go. So that's why I was struggling to find it, because I've taken it off. That's what happens with these things of APK, because it's really like a workaround. It's not supposed to happen. But that's like something you can do to try and install it install APKs and you can like test it.